Structure of flower. This green color leaf which protect the flower is called sepal.
Second part of flower. The colored part of flower called petal. The third part of flower, male, which is called stamen. It has two types. First, anther. The bag-like structure called anther. It produces pollen grain. Second part, filament. It provides spore to anther.
It has a female part called carpel and pistil. It consists of three parts. This is called stigma. Here is style and here is a ovary.